apparently, if you let the battery die on these Aventadors for long enough, the supercapacitor also loses charge. And if that loses charge, then it fails to send power from that to the starter motor. But there is a way to bypass it in a temporary way, and that is to remove the cable going from the supercapacitor, which goes directly to the starter motor, and just put it directly to your 12-volt battery, which should be fine enough just to start it once. Let's see if it cranks, because if it don't crank, we're in big trouble.
Okay,
we're in big trouble. Here we go. Yes! It cranked.